Hello guys. Today we are going to be doing a light switch tour. Let's go inside. So, first thing, we got this switch, which wait a minute. I'm just checking. This one goes to that light. It's a motion sensor too. We normally keep that on. And then over here, this switch goes to that light right there. Now, oh crap, I almost forgot this light switch over here. There's a few more. So, this one, we have no idea what that goes to. This one, don't know either. But this one goes to that light. We'll figure out what those are for. Just gonna keep this light switch on because it's been on. Yeah. If we go down here, this is the second switch that goes up there. And this switch goes to this light and this light. In here, we got this switch that goes to this light and this light. When we go into the kitchen, we have light switch right here, and that goes to that, and that light switch, or light. It's odd because there's no secondary switch anywhere around this kitchen, which is odd. So, we got light bulb. Oh, I thought there was a light bulb in there. That's odd. A light bulb in this, right here. And then maybe one in the microwave. There is one right there. I almost forgot that light there too. Oh, hello, Dad.
Hi.
And then this light switch right here goes to that light and that light. I don't know what that is for. There's also, is there a light switch in there? The door doesn't work.
Just pull it.
There's see. This light switch right here goes to there, and there's the furnace. I don't know why there's a bag there. There's also a vent. And then this light switch right here goes to these lights right here. For here, there's a light switch right here that goes outside above the house, or the door. Whoa, the bird scared me. There's this pull chain fan right here. Right here. And then first speed, second speed, and third speed. Then spin down. And oh, I don't know. See us. I can't get the swings thing to work. I don't know why. It's like stuck.
What?
Anyways, in here, there's a light switch right here that goes to these two lights. Yeah, I'll do. And then in here, in the bathroom, oh, I forgot there's a light switch right here that goes to this light, or this exhaust fan, and that shower light right there. Oh yeah. And then there's this motion lights that's weird because sometimes it does want to work. And thank you for Dad letting me borrow his phone and make a light switch tour.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. And like. Thank you.